You searched how to buy shares of Option. Option is a European wireless connectivity and IoT company listed on Euronext under the ticker OPTI.BR. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OPTI.BR to locate the listing. Make sure you select the option entry that shows Euronext as the market. On the option asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct security. Verify the market and the ticker OPTI.BR before proceeding. Click Buy or Invest. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before confirming. After confirmation, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and the eToro link is in the description for easy access. Remember, this is educational content only.